Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day, and today we'll be covering the basics of atoms. So, what is an atom? As you probably already know, atoms are the incredibly small building blocks of matter that make up everything we interact with on a daily basis, from people to chairs. But what makes up an atom? Generally speaking, there are three subatomic particles that make up an atom: protons, neutrons, and electrons, which can be abbreviated as E-, N-, and P+, with the superscript portion referring to their electrical charge. Breaking them down into their mass and charge, we can see that a proton has a mass of 1 atomic mass unit with a charge of 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. And although neutrons technically weigh more than protons, for our purpose that difference is negligible, and they also weigh 1 atomic mass unit while having no charge. Finally, an electron weighs roughly 1/2000th of a proton and has a charge opposite of a proton, making it 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19th coulombs. With that said, the relative masses would be 1, 1, 0, and the relative charges would be 1, 0, and negative 1. Moving on to nuclear notation, we can see it has three components: A, Z, and X, with A referring to the mass number, the number of protons and neutrons the atom contains, and Z referring to the atomic number, the number of protons the atom contains, and X referring to the element itself. An easy way to remember this is just by thinking of the alphabet. A comes before Z, so therefore A goes above Z. With that down, the next part to remembering it is to think of it as withdrawing money from a bank. You start off by going to your specific banking institution, which in this case would be X, the element. And then when you see a teller, you first decide on the total amount of money to withdraw, which would be A, the total mass of the atom. Then you would decide on the makeup of that money, as in how many 5s, 10s, or 20s you want, which would translate to Z, the makeup of the atom in regard to its protons. And for a quick example, we will use the atom drawn above, which is a carbon atom containing 6 protons and 6 neutrons, meaning its nuclear notation would be a 12 over a 6 next to a C. Finally, atoms can have a charge. An atom that has lost an electron would be a cation, a positively charged atom, and an atom that has gained an electron would be an anion, a negatively charged atom. Hopefully you found something useful. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe for more future content. Until next time, see ya!